Namaste and welcome to Lightcast, where stories shine brighter.
Today, we dive into the shimmering hearts of Deepavali, a festival that not just glows in lamps, but in spirits of millions. Did you know Deepavali or Diwali means a row of light? But actually, it's more than festival. It's something that glows in shadows and sparkles, in fire and flames.
Did you know there's a story in northern India that tells us about Lord Rama's arrival to Ayodhya? After 14 years of exile, he defeated the demon king Ravana. When he defeated the demon king Ravana, the whole kingdom lit up in celebration. Rows of earthen lamps illuminating the path home. This day marks the triumph of good over evil and, of course, light over darkness.
You know, there's also another legend about Lord Krishna defeating the demon Narakasura.
I am betting that this is the southern version.
Absolutely. There was once a demon named Narakasura who imprisoned thousands and tortured them. After his defeat by Lord Krishna, the imprisoned souls were freed, and this day is celebrated as Naraka Chaturdashi, a symbol of liberation and justice, and a day marked with good over the evil.
That's an amazing point. Did you notice that these are different stories but share the same light?
Yes, Deepavali is more than mythology. It's a metaphor that is reminding us that even in the darkest night, there is one single light of hope.
That's wonderful. But in the celebration, let us not lose sight of our environment. Let us choose an eco-friendly Diwali. Do you know how much a poor stray dog struggle each and every Diwali? For this, let us choose smoke-free crackers, noiseless crackers, or even biodegradable decor. Let us also choose traditional oil lamps over electric glare. Let us not chase the light at the cost of the skies we share.
Also, this Diwali, let us all clean off our old grudges, wash off our heavy heart, and also open window for forgiveness. This Diwali, declutter the soul, forget all the bitterness, and make space for love to fill in again.
Amazing point. Let us also keep in mind to donate to those in need. Food packets, warm blankets, books for children, or even a simple smile that says you matter.
Give warmth to a stranger, because why not? A kind word, a helping hand, or even accompanying them with their spending their Deepavali alone.
Let us spend time, food, and kindness like it's our wealth, because in giving, we glow the most.
Exactly. You know what I believe? I think true celebration does not lie in how loudly you burst your crackers. It's how gently you touch someone's soul.
This Diwali, let your story be like a flame. Small, steady, but full of meaning.
Until next time, keep glowing.
Happy Deepavali!